What is golf slope rating and historical scoring averages? Imagine trying to compare scores from different golf courses and conditions. How can you tell if a score is good or bad without considering the course's difficulty? That's where golf slope rating and historical scoring averages come into play. These tools help us understand how challenging a course really is and how players perform over time. Golf slope rating is a number that shows how tough a course is for a player with a higher handicap compared to a scratch golfer. It ranges from 55, which means very easy, to 155, which indicates a very difficult course. The average slope rating is 113. To figure out the slope rating, course raters look at the course's length, obstacles like bunkers and water hazards, green complexity, and elevation changes. They also consider the expected scores for both scratch golfers and bogey golfers, who usually have a handicap around 24 men and 24 for women. The difference between these scores, multiplied by a specific factor, gives the slope rating. For example, if a course has a scratch score of 72 and a bogey score of 96, the slope rating for men would be calculated as the difference, 24 times 5.381, which equals about 129. Understanding these ratings helps in comparing how difficult different courses are for players of various skill levels. Now, historical scoring averages are the recorded average scores players have shot over time on certain courses or in tournaments. These averages show how players perform under different conditions and how course setups or weather might influence scores. Analyzing these averages helps identify trends, like whether players are improving or if certain courses tend to produce higher scores. When you combine slope ratings with historical scoring averages, you get a clearer picture of how challenging a course is and how players are adapting to that challenge over time. This is especially useful for player and tournament analytics. It allows for fair score comparisons, better handicapping, and strategic planning. Knowing how a course's difficulty impacts scoring helps players understand their performance in context. So, in simple terms, golf slope rating measures how tough a course is for higher handicap players compared to scratch golfers, while historical scoring averages reveal how players have performed on those courses over time. Both are key tools in analyzing golf performance and course difficulty.